What you're watching here is a yellow-lipped sea krait, Laticauda colubrina, which is a fairly common sea snake found in the tropical Indo-Pacific. This snake is indeed quite venomous, however it's not very aggressive, and although bites have been recorded, they're rather rare. The snake belongs to the group of the elapids, and although they are fully marine animals, they still need to crawl on land in order to lay eggs and to digest their prey. They mainly feed on eels, both conger eels as well as moray eels, and there is a distinctive feeding style which distinguishes males and females. So the females are more likely to prey on conger eels, whereas the males prefer morays. And typically the males are also smaller animals. Several families of snakes have returned to the water, so the different families of sea snakes are an example of convergent evolution, where land animals have entered the ocean again. My experience is that if one does not harass or bother the snakes, and I mean this is of course something we should not do to any marine animals, they essentially do what they're doing, which is forage for fish, and it's possible to observe them for extended periods of time.